Welcome back for another grab and go craft tutorial. My name is Miss Anna, and this week I'm going to be leading you through the kids grab and go craft, which is Spiderwebs. For this craft, you will only need the contents found inside of your craft bag that you picked up from one of our library branches, and you'll also need some glue. Now, you can use Elmer's white glue for this, or I'm going to use a hot glue gun and hot glue because it'll make it go a little bit faster. Now, if you choose to use a hot glue gun, make sure you have your parents' help or at least their supervision while you use this. Now that we have all of the materials we'll need, let's go ahead and get started. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is open our craft bag and get our materials out. Some black yarn, you can set that to the side, 3 popsicle sticks, and 1 black plastic spider ring. You can set the spider ring to the side right now too. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is glue our popsicle sticks together. So you're gonna do this in like a star formation. So we're gonna glue 2 of them together first, in a cross or a plus sign, just like this. Again, I'm using hot glue, but you can use regular glue and just give it longer to dry. Okay, so there's 2 popsicle sticks together. And now we're gonna take the third one and put it right through the center. If you turn your plus sign, if you rotate it a little, it becomes an X. We're gonna put our third popsicle stick straight through that X like this and make a star. Like that. There we go. We're gonna give it a minute to dry. And remember, if you used white glue or a tacky glue, you need to give it a little bit longer than I'm going to dry. So we're just gonna give it a minute. Okay, once you've let your popsicle sticks dry in the star formation, we're ready to tie our black yarn on and start weaving our spider web. So you're gonna tie your yarn on as close to the inside of the popsicle stick formation as you can. So as close to the middle, and flip it over and tie a knot on the back. All right, once you've got your knot tied, you can flip your popsicle sticks over so that the knot will now be in the back of your spider web, and we're ready to start weaving our spider web with the yarn. So the way you're gonna do this is you're gonna go over the next popsicle stick. We're gonna work clockwise around our popsicle sticks. You're gonna go over, wrap around, and move to the next stick. So wrap around, move to the next stick. Over, wrap around, move to the next stick, and so on and so forth. And as you work, you can move out, creating a spider web. All right, and you can stop whenever you feel like your spider web looks how you want it to look. I'm gonna stop here, and I've got a lot of yarn left over. So I'm gonna tie a knot on the back of my web again, and then I'm just gonna cut off some of this excess yarn. I'm gonna cut about right here. And now I can hang my spider web up if I want to. And the last touch, obviously, is to put your spider on their web. So you can put it wherever you want. Since mine is going to hang like this, I'm going to put her right about here. There we go. All done. All right, and that does it for our grab and go spider webs. I hope you were able to make a super cool spider web like mine. And if you really enjoyed this craft, you can share a picture of your craft with us in our Facebook post for grab and goes this week. Make sure you join us again next week for another grab and go craft. Bye.